Indian stock markets closed lower today, February 12, 2026. Primarily driven by a sharp sell-off in the IT sector due to concerns over artificial intelligence disruption and a stronger than expected US jobs report, which tempered hopes of a near-term US interest rate cut. The benchmark indices finished the trading session in the red. The BSE Sensex settled at 83,674.92, a decrease of 558.72 points, or 0.66%. The Nifty 50 closed at 25,807.20, down by 146.65 points, or 0.57%. The market experienced significant volatility throughout the day, with selling pressure intensifying in the second half of trading. Its sector sell-off, the Nifty IT index, was the biggest loser, falling over 5.5% as concerns about AI's impact on demand for traditional IT services triggered broad-based selling. Major IT stocks like TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and Wipro were among the top losers, with some declining over 5%. Select financial and manufacturing stocks offered some support. Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank, and Bharat Electronics Limited were among the top gainers. The Nifty mid-cap and small-cap indices also ended the day lower, declining around 0.5% each. The put-call ratio is at 0.48. This extremely low level indicates a bearish sentiment and heavy domination by call writers. The max pain strike is currently pegged at 25,850.00, with the market closing at 25,807.20. The index is pinned close to this level, which represents the point of least aggregate loss for option writers. India Volatility Index current level, 11.72. The fear gauge edged higher today as the market retreated, while India Volatility Index below 12 still suggests a relatively stable environment. The daily uptick mirrors the risk-off sentiment seen in high beta sectors like IT. The Nifty IT index plummeted over 5%, tracking a global sell-off in tech stocks. Better than expected US jobs data sparked fears that interest rate cuts might be delayed, while ongoing anxiety